Hey guys, what's going on? Mr. Meyer here from the Basement Studios again. So I thought today we'd change it up a little bit. We've been working on our tennis skills and racket skills all week long. We've been working on our forehand hit and our backhand and our forehand volley and our backhand volley. But I thought, you know what? Let's change it up and let's do a theme day on Fridays. And the theme is going to be Fitness Fridays. So we're going to work on some exercises that are going to really help us get big and strong. So today's focus is going to be on the push-up. Now, I know a bunch of you just went, yeah, push-ups, I love push-ups. Because when I had some of you in the gym over the last couple of weeks, and we've picked different exercises, a lot of times you guys said, let's do push-ups. And you're like, yeah. And then I watched you doing the push-ups, and they were pretty good. Some of you really got a good handle on it, but some of us need a little bit of work. Even I need a little bit of work. So what we're going to do is I'm going to teach you the proper way to do a push-up. Now, if you're not great at push-ups, that's okay. I'm going to show you how to do something called a modified push-up that's going to help you so that you can get strong enough to do a regular push-up, right? That's the end goal, is to do a regular push-up. Now, if you're in 4th and 5th grade, normally this year we will be doing something called the fitness gram, but we'll not worry about that because we're not sure if we're going to be able to do it this year. Last year, we weren't able to finish it. So this year, I'm not sure if we're going to be able to do it, but once I know, you guys will know. But the big focus today is going to be on how to do a push-up, but we need to get warmed up. I know right now I'm in my basement. It's a little cold down here. It's been cold out the last couple of days. So I'm going to get up. We're going to do a warm, and then we'll go down to the ground and we'll show you how to do a proper push-up and a modified push-up if you can't do a proper push-up, so you can eventually do a regular proper push-up. Are you guys ready to get warmed up? All right, let's stand up. And we'll move back over here. And let's do what we normally do first. We'll do jog in place for 20 seconds. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, let's get our arms warmed up too because we're going to be doing some push-ups. So let's do forward shoulder raises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, let's do some forward lunges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. All right, let's do some press-ups. Again, getting those arms warmed up. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. All right, let's get some side bends, because even though we're doing push-ups and we're going to be mainly focusing on our upper body, actually our core muscles, our ab muscles, are going to get a good workout too, because you have to keep them nice and tight so you keep your body nice and straight as you're going up and down. So we need to get these muscles warmed up as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, let's do some forward kicks. And again, yeah, I know we're not going to be working out our legs as much, but we still got to keep our legs nice and straight too when we're doing these. And they got to keep us up a little bit, so our legs need to get warmed up as well. And that's forward kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. All right, let's do some ladder climbs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. All right, trunk twists. Let's work in our core, our ab muscles, which we're also going to be using while we do the push-ups. So let's get that warmed up as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's do my favorite exercise, calf raises, going up on the toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. All right, last one we'll do is scissor arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. All right, guys, let's come over. Let's take a seat, and we will get started on how to do a push-up or a modified push-up so that eventually we can do push-ups. All right, guys. So if you haven't already, come on to the ground, have a seat. If you want to bring your device down or if you just want to angle it down, you can. Either one you want to do, just so you can see me. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to show you what a regular push-up looks like. I'm going to show you from the side view. I'll show you from the forward view. Then I'm going to talk about the modified push-up and then go back into the regular push-up, the proper way to do it, and show you there. Now again, if you're not strong enough to do a regular push-up, that's okay. I'm going to show you the modified push-ups so that you can do a regular push-up eventually. But let's go over what a regular push-up looks like first, okay? So push-up is going to look like this. What I do is I like to put my hands about shoulder length apart, which is like this, a little bit wider than my shoulders, right? And then I'm going to take my feet, I'm going to put them out behind me, and I'm going to be on my toes, and my feet are even a little bit apart. My back needs to be nice and straight. So I'm almost like a table that's on an angle a little bit. When I go down, I'm not going to go all the way to the ground. And the only thing that's going to bend are my elbows, not my body. I'm not going to do this, and I'm not going to do this, right? So I'm going to go down to here, and then back up. I'm going to go down to here, and then back up. That's a regular push-up. Now you want to see what it looks like from the front. So same thing. I'm going to put my hands a little bit wider than my shoulders. My feet are out behind me. You can see there's a little bit of a space there. And I'm going to go down to right around here and back up. And down to here and back up. I'm not going all the way down. And for you guys that are a little bit older, my arms are going down into like a 90-degree angle. So you can see right here, it's like a 90-degree angle. My stomach and legs are not touching the ground. So that's a regular push-up. Now, I know for some of us, that's not easy, and that's okay. I'm going to show you how you can do a different type of push-up, so eventually you can do it like that. So if you're doing push-ups and your body and your bottom's going up and your stomach's hitting the ground, that's not how we do it. We're just using the arms. Our body's nice and straight. So I'm going to show you something called a modified push-up that's going to help you build up the strength for your arms so you can do it properly, all right? So what you're going to do for the modified push-up, if you want to try this with me, you can. You're going to put your knees on the ground. You're going to put your hands out in front like a regular push-up, but we're going to extend a little bit further out. So you can see how my legs are not straight up and down right now. They're on an angle, right? So they're a little bit pushed forward. If you're doing them from here, that's a good way to start, and that'll help you get the strength. But the modified push-up, you want to be out a little bit further. And what you're going to do is keep your feet on the ground, keep your knees on the ground. You're going to go down to that position and back up nice and easy. What you want to do too with your stomach muscles, right? Because we talked about that before. You're going to tighten up your stomach muscles so your back stays nice and flat. So modified push-up looks like this again. Down to here and back up. Your knees are still on the ground. Down to here and back up. You go nice and easy. You're not going to try to go fast. I'll show you what it looks like from the front. So I have my knees on the ground, right? I come out a little bit. I'm gonna go down and back up. My stomach and chest are not touching the ground. So I'm going down and back up nice and easy. Okay, so that's a modified push-up. And what's gonna happen is if you keep practicing that, you are gonna get stronger so you can do a regular push-up. So maybe like kindergarten, first, second, third, maybe even fourth grade or fifth grade, and that's okay. Practice those. If you're not doing the push-up like I showed you before, do the modified push-ups. You will build up strength. If you keep doing it maybe every other day, do a couple modified push-ups, eventually you'll be strong enough to do the regular push-ups. All right, let's go over the regular push-up one more time, and then we'll practice some modified push-ups. All right, so regular push-up, again, your feet are back here. My hands are a little bit wider than my shoulders. My toes are on the ground, my feet are apart. My back is flat. My bottom's not going up in the air, and my stomach's not going to the ground. You have to bend your elbows to do this push-up. So you're gonna go down and back up. Down and back up. I'll show you from the front one more time. So my hands are a little bit wider than my shoulders. My feet are a little bit apart. My back is nice and flat. I'm going down and back up. Down and back up. And again, my stomach and chest are not touching the ground. All right, so let's do this together. Let's practice a couple of modified push-ups together, and then you can pause the video and you can do the modified push-ups, or you can do regular push-ups if you're strong enough. But if you feel like your bottom and your stomach are going like this, around and around and around, stop and do the modified push-ups. Once you get used to those, then come back and do the regular push-ups. But this is a really big workout. You don't want to sit here and do like 100 push-ups today. That's going to hurt your arms and your chest a little bit. You're going to walk around later like this. Oh, I'm sore. Ay, ay, ay. So just do a couple today. If you've been doing push-ups forever, for like years, yeah, you can do a little bit more, but maybe do 10 or 15 or 20 today. Don't do 100. Yeah, I'm gonna do 100. This is Fitness Friday. No way, I'm not even gonna do 100. That's gonna make me sore, real sore later and tomorrow. I don't wanna do that. So we're learning how to do it the proper way. All right, so let's get into the modified push-up position. So again, knees on the ground, feet behind you, your feet are on the ground. Do we want our legs straight up like this? No, we want to come forward a little bit. If you're struggling doing this one, then yeah, that's okay. You can come here and do the modified push-up this way. But what we want to do is we want to lean forward just a little bit. Our hands are out in front of us. Let's do 5 together. Again, we're not doing a lot of these today. We don't want you to be too sore. Okay, you ready? Modified position and go. 1, don't touch the ground. 2, bend your elbows. 3, 4, and 5. All right, let's take a little break. I'm gonna move into the forward position. You can do these next 5 with me. If you don't want to, you wanna take a break, that's okay. Because I'm actually starting to feel it right now. My biceps, my triceps, and a little bit into my chest muscles here. And a little bit into my stomach because I'm trying to keep that my stomach muscles nice and tight. So if you wanna do the modified with me right now going forward, you can. If you don't want to, that's okay, you already did 5. So I just wanna show you what it looks like from the front. I'm gonna lean forward a little bit. I'm gonna go down, up, 1, down, up, 2, down, up, 3, down, up, 4, down, up, 5. All right, so what I want you to do right now is pause the video and do maybe 5 or 10 modified push-ups by yourself. If you know that you can do a regular push-up, go ahead and do 5 or 10 regular push-ups. We're not doing more than that. I don't want you guys to go too crazy. I don't want you to be hurting too much tomorrow. But if your muscles are a little sore, that's okay. We know the muscles are working. We just don't want them to be too sore. All right, so pause the video. Go do 5 or 10 modified push-ups with your knees on the ground or regular push-ups so you can do it. And then come back in and we'll stretch together and then we'll be done for today. All right, so pause the video, go do 5 or 10 and come back in. All right, how'd your push-ups go? Pretty good? All right, remember, if you're doing regular push-ups and your bottom's really high in the air or your stomach's touching the ground as you're doing it and you feel like a little bit of a worm as you're doing it, that's not the way to do them. You wanna keep your back nice and flat as you're going up and down, up and down. And if that's happening, what should you do? Right, modified push-ups. Your body gets used to being nice and flat and straight, and then you'll be able to do the regular push-ups. All right, let's stretch our lower body first since we're already sitting. Let's do butterfly stretch together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Figure 4 stretch. So that's one leg out, and keep half of a butterfly and put your foot next to your knee. Not on top of your knee, not under your knee. You want to put it next to your knee. You're going to keep this leg nice and straight, and you're going to lean forward as far as you can. If you can grab your toe, great. If you can't, just grab around your ankle or the bottom of your leg there. It's going to stretch the hamstring muscles, which are underneath the back of our quads, our thigh muscles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Toe to the sky. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And let's switch to the other side. So this leg is going to go straight, our toe is going to go to the sky, and our foot is going to go next to our knee. Now, if you can't reach all the way down there, that's okay. Some people's muscles are a little bit tighter than others. Some people are more flexible than others. Some people are faster than others. Some people are better at math than they are at writing, and that's okay. We're all different. So just going to go as far as you can. The more you practice this, the more flexible you're going to become. And again, if you're in 3rd, 4th, and 5th, that's going to help you out when we're doing the fitness gram. Okay? So hand out, lean forward a little bit. You should feel the stretch on the back of the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good. All right, let's do the gluteal stretch. So both legs out, put one leg over, and give your knee a hug. That's stretching our gluteal muscles, which are behind over here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And whatever we do on one side, we'll have to do on the other. So your other leg goes over the top, and you hug that leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, let's shake our legs out a little bit. We'll sit crisscross, and let's do shoulder stretch. One arm out, put it across, and give it a hug. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Shake it out. And whatever we do on one side, we gotta do on the other. Arm out, put it across, give it a hug. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And let's do back scratches. So one arm up, scratch your back, and push your elbow behind you. And that's going to stretch our tricep muscles, which how many muscles are in the triceps? 3, that's right. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Shake it out. Whatever we do on one side, we got to do on the other side. So push that elbow straight behind you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, let's do side neck stretch. Put your ear to your shoulder, pull to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And switch to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, guys, awesome job. Now, like I said, if you want to do more today or tomorrow or Sunday or Monday, you can, but don't do a lot of them, right? You don't want to sit there and do 100 push-ups. You're going to be sore. It's not going to be comfortable. So you do a couple every day or every other day, whatever you want to do, but just do a couple so you can get used to doing it. All right, guys? So awesome job again. And as always, enjoy, stay safe, and stay active.